Hey, this is Sarita. Welcome to my channel. I am a licensed natural hairstylist in Greensboro, North Carolina. I was doing these braids on a client and thought I should make a video. So here, I'm just installing her box braids. This just is a video of watching me do the style. It's not actually a tutorial because I didn't realize that you can't really see me installing the braids. But these box braids are the goddess box braids because I did feed in Kima ocean wave hair at the bottom of her box braids and had left that hair hanging out, and you can see that in the video. But stay tuned, keep watching to see the finished style at the end. And if you would like for me to do an actual tutorial on how I did these box braids, just leave a comment down below and I will do my best to get that video out to you guys. So here at this point, I am grabbing some product to get rid of my frizzies, and then I'm going to start adding the Kima ocean wave hair in to finish off the box braids. I did not use a lighter, and I did not use glue at the end of these box braids. I just braided the Kima down till it was like really thin, and then I put a knot at the end of the box braid and left the rest of the hair hanging loose. And like I said, I thought that you would be able to see that in the video, but it's not that clear, so it wasn't a tutorial, but just a look at me do this style. So that's me feeding the Kima hair in to the bottom of the box braids. And what I did is I just kept braiding until there was no more straight hair left. And I did go back in with the scissors. This is the only time I use scissors. I did go in with the scissors and trim the little hair that was sticking out. But because I used product, it wasn't that much hair sticking out that I needed to cut off. You can see me feeding in the hair a little bit better from this angle, even though it's still not 100% clear, but you get the general idea of how I fed the hair in here at the end of the box braids. I'm adding the knot in at this point, and the braid is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the finished look and have a great day.
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies, family.